carnivore. Oopsies. Oh, hi friends. Welcome back to A's learning journey. I haven't seen you in a long time. Come on, I'll show you magic.
Knock knock.
Oh, science, you always interrupt me. Did I forget something again? Oh yeah, I should have said the word science magic. Oh well, come on, let's get started. Today, I'm going to show you an intriguing experiment. It's called bending water. But first, before we start this investigation, we need to know something called static electricity. Static electricity is a buildup of any electrical charge on a surface of an object. It's called static because the charge does not move or flow to another place. Now, you got to know how the static electricity is built. Now, let's see how the static charge flows. It happens when one surface touches another and the electrons move from one to another. One surface has negative charge and the other has positive. We usually experience this in our everyday lives, like when our skin builds up with static electricity and we touch something metal, like a doorknob. Ouch! The metal is very conductive and it quickly discharges the static electricity, creating a zap or small spark. Come on, it's experiment time! Ta-da! Here's my DIY model. Come on, let's get started. So, I pour the water into this glass. Let's see what happens next. See? The water is flowing. Now, when I put the balloon here,
Yeah.
can you see the water bending? Yeah, right? Here comes a clear view of bending water. Science, you're truly tremendous. You all know why this happens. It's because water has neutral charges. That is, it has a balanced number of positive and negative charges. As you've seen in the video, when a negatively charged balloon is brought near the water's electrons move away from the balloon. Simultaneously, the water's positive protons move towards the balloon, causing the water to bend. This may seem like magic, but it's actually the sharing of electrons. Hope you like this video. Remember, you can try it. Building a model might seem complicated, so the best way to do it is near the basin. You guys can use balloons, plastic pen, or comb to do this experiment. To charge the comb, you can comb